Every day, millions of Americans make financial decisions that shape their future. But behind every loan approval, credit card, and mortgage lies one powerful number.
Two people can earn the same income, yet one gets approved instantly, while the other walks away empty-handed. The difference isn't their salary, it's their credit score.
A credit score is a 3-digit number that tells lenders how trustworthy you are with money. In America, this number can open or close many financial doors.
A strong credit score can help you buy a home, finance a car, and qualify for lower interest rates. A poor score can make those same goals much harder to achieve. The good news? Your credit score isn't fixed forever. With the right habits and smart financial decisions, you can improve it over time and unlock better opportunities. Every payment you make is recorded by 3 major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. These companies collect your financial history and build your credit report.
Your FICO score isn't random. It's calculated using 5 key factors, each carrying a different level of importance in determining your financial trustworthiness.
The most important factor is your payment history. Paying every bill on time shows lenders that you're responsible. Even one missed payment can damage your score for years. On the other hand,
a long history of on-time payments builds trust and opens the door to better financial opportunities.
The second biggest factor is credit utilization. Experts recommend using less than 30% of your available credit.
credit history length makes up 15% of your score. The longer you've managed credit responsibly, the more confidence lenders have in your financial habits. Another important factor is your credit mix. Successfully managing different types of credit, like credit cards, auto loans, and mortgages, every time you apply for new credit, lenders perform a hard inquiry. Too many applications in a short period can temporarily lower your credit score. The biggest credit mistakes are simple: missing payments, maxing out your credit cards, and applying for too many accounts.
Building excellent credit doesn't happen overnight, but with patience, smart habits, and consistency.
If you're starting with no credit history, don't worry. A secured credit card is one of the easiest and safest ways to begin building your credit profile.
Another smart strategy is becoming an authorized user on a trusted family member's credit card. Their positive payment history can help you build credit much faster. The secret isn't spending more money, it's building consistent habits. Pay every bill on time, every month, and keep your balances low.
Monitor your credit regularly. Reviewing your credit report helps you spot errors, prevent fraud, and track your progress toward an excellent credit score.
Your credit score is more than just a number. It's your financial reputation. Start building it today, stay consistent, and you'll create that can change your life.
Create opportunities that can change your life. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more simple finance tips that make money easier to understand.
Thanks for watching. Click one of these videos to keep learning about money, credit, and building financial freedom. See you in the next video.